In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a power-up from Trello. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So let's dive right in. Trello is an incredible tool for organizing your projects and tasks, and sometimes you might want to remove a power-up that you no longer need or want to manage. Fear not. The process is quite straightforward. Let's get started. First, the very first step is to navigate to the board where you want to manage your power-ups. Open up Trello and select the specific board you're working on. It could be a project you're currently tackling, or just a board that has become cluttered with features you don't use anymore. Whichever it is, head on over there. Once you're on your selected board, look up at the top right corner of your screen. Do you see a cool rocket icon? That's your gateway to managing your power-ups. Click on that rocket icon, and it will open up the Power-Up Settings menu. Now you should see a section labeled Enabled Power-Ups. Here's where you can view a list of all the active integrations on your board. It's like a little dashboard of all the extra features you've added to enhance your Trello experience. Take a moment to see which power-ups are currently enabled. This can help you decide if there's anything you want to remove. Next up, find the specific power-up you wish to remove from your board. Look for it in that enabled list. Once you've spotted it, there should be a Settings button right next to it. Go ahead and click on that Settings button. What happens next? A small menu will pop up, providing you with a couple of options regarding that power-up. To remove it, all you need to do is select the option that says Disable. It's as simple as that. Click on Disable, and you're one step closer to tidying up your Trello board. Now here's the final step to confirm that it's successfully removed. Once you click on Disable, the power-up should disappear from your enabled list immediately. This confirms that it's no longer active on your board. You can breathe a sigh of relief knowing your Trello board is now streamlined and you only have the tools there that you really need. And that's it. You've successfully removed a power-up from Trello. It's a pretty quick process, and now you know exactly what to do next time you need to declutter your power-ups. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more Trello tips and tricks. We're always adding new content to help you make the most out of your Trello experience. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!